So there's my gas meter with two lines coming out of it. One goes up the wall here into the attic and across the house, and it feeds two gas fireplaces. The other one, and that pipe measures 1.25 inches outside diameter, so I'm assuming it's 1-inch pipe, and it runs along the exterior of the house behind this greenhouse thing. Comes out there around the corner behind the fig tree, continues along the outside, and there it's in the corner, comes around, and then I didn't like this a whole lot when I first did this patio, but it dives under the ground and it doesn't go very deep because of this step into a little shed storage thing. There it comes back out of the ground, and can't see real well, but it kind of goes back and up. Oh, there's a plug there I saw, I didn't notice. Goes around and then goes into the house. Right by the laundry, you can see the 4-inch vent for the dryer, and there's the gas line. And everything's a mess because I'm doing remodeling. And so back here in this bathroom that I'm doing, that pipe is actually going around the corner right out there. This is where it comes into the house. There's that 6-inch or 4-inch dryer vent. And the gas line comes in and comes across outside of the wall. It does have a valve right next to the drywall there, in case somebody put in a gas dryer, which we don't have. And it comes across through this wall. Again, it jogs way out to get around that stud they could have notched. And it comes into here, and what it feeds, see if I can see it. There's the valve for the furnace. And then down here is a flex line and a valve to the water heater, and that's all it feeds there. So my thought is that all this could get abandoned in the house, and back here on the corner you can see there's that window over there. And then it's like 5 feet or 6 feet over to a bump out. That's where the gas line could now come in. And in this space, I'm putting a cabinet. And so there'll be room on the sides of it, behind it, whatever, to come up with a gas line to the ceiling. And then this entire bathroom has a false ceiling in it, or plumbing and whatnot. And the space in there is about 8 inches or so from the top of the false ceiling to the bottom of the joist above, about 8 inches. And anyway, so from up there it can come clear across on the ceiling and back into this area, which is right above the furnace and the water heater. And from there, you know, there's room to come down and supply that. The dryer, I'm not too concerned about having gas. Like I said, we have electric, but, you know, if we did, I don't want it sticking way out of the wall. And I'm going to go back to where the pipe would come in. There's the bump out I was talking about. There's the window, and you know, 5 or 6 feet over. So right in this corner anywhere, come up into this wall. And just cut off the other stuff, and I guess I'd sawzall it up and get rid of it myself.